Subtraction. Subtraction, three-digit number without borrowing. Our first number is 3065. Let's show this number on abacus. Now we subtract 124. Let's start subtraction from ones. Subtract 4 from 5. How much left? Correct, 1. Let's write the answer down in ones column. Now look at tens column. We will subtract 2 from 6. How much left? Correct. Answer is 4. Write answer down in tens column. Now look at hundred column. We will subtract 1 from 3. How much left? Yes, 2 beads left. Write 2 in hundreds column. Very good. Let's solve one more problem without using abacus. Let's start subtraction from ones column. Open your 9 fingers. Now close 3 fingers. 6 fingers left, so write 6 down in ones column. Subtract 0 from 0. Oh, we know that if 0 is subtract from 0, then we will also get 0 as an answer. So write 0 down in tens column. Look at 100 columns. Now our last subtraction is 2 from 5. So open your 5 fingers. Now close your 2 fingers. 3 fingers left. So write 3 in 100 column. So our answer is 306. Subtraction 3-digit numbers. Borrowing. Let's start subtraction from ones column. We can't subtract 9 from 5. Since 5 is less than 9, so we borrow from tens column. Remember, we can't borrow ones from tens column. We have to borrow full 1/10. And after getting 10, 5 ones become 15 ones. Now subtract 9 from 15. We get 6 ones, so write 6 down in ones column. Subtract 3 from 8 in tens column. We have 5 columns of tens, so write 5 in tens column. Lastly, we subtract 4 from 8 in 100 column. There remain 4 hundreds, so write 4 in hundreds column. 456. Let's solve one more question by shortcut method. Since 3 is less than 9, so we take borrow from tens. This 4 will become 3 and 3 will become 13. Now subtract 9 from 13. Correct, it's 4. Again, 3 tens is less than 8 tens, so we take borrow from 100. Note, 100 means 10 tens. 600 becomes 500 and 3 tens becomes 13 tens. Now subtract 8 tens from 13 tens. 5 tens. Right answer. 5 in tens column And lastly, subtract 100 column. Subtract 3 from 5. Good. 200 remains. So write 2 down in 100 column. Very good. Answer is 254. So children, you all understand about subtraction. Keep practicing the problem and soon we will meet with another interesting topic.